Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, June 15, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since May 31, 2023, our system has ranked Intel as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this period, the stock has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 13.93% since we first recommended buying Intel 12 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.16% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken the wide and weak, rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $33.83, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $40.05 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 2.78% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -20.80% and -2.95%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a -14.53% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -45% and -14.53%. This translates to a price range of $19.70 to $30.62 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, "Green Day on Thursday for Intel stock after gaining 0.675%. The Intel stock price gained 0.675% on the last trading day, Thursday, June 15, 2023, rising from $35.58 to $35.82. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.41% from a day low at $35.22 to a day high of $36.42. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 15.07% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -6 million shares, and in total, 66 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.38 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $40.73, and the lowest price was $24.59. Currently, the price is 12.05%, or $4.91, below the 52-week high, and 48.3%, or $33.47, below the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Wednesday, November 16, 2022, Credit Suisse set a price target of 28. On Wednesday, November 16, 2022, Credit Suisse set a price target of 28. On Wednesday, November 16, 2022, Credit Suisse set a price target of 28. On Friday, November 11, 2022, JP Morgan set a price target of 32. On Friday, November 11, 2022, JP Morgan set a price target of 32. Analysts have given Intel stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $33.26 and $30.65. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, May 25, 2023, and so far it has risen 30.73%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 54 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $31.44 and $29.86. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Intel finds support just below today's level at $31.44. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $29.86 and $29. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $1.20 between high and low, or 3.41%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 4.37%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for Q2 2023 is expected on July 27, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $0.0400. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $31.44. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On June 12, 2023, Intel Corp conducted an insider buy of 38,500,000 shares of Class A common stock. On June 12, 2023, Intel Corp conducted an insider sell of 38,500,000 shares of Class A common stock. On June 12, 2023, Intel Corp conducted an insider sell of 38,500,000 shares of Class B common stock. On May 30, 2023, Zinsner David conducted an insider buy of 166,531 shares of performance-based stock units, PSUs. On May 30, 2023, Zinsner David conducted an insider buy of 111,021 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -30.443. Overall, insiders purchased 41,102,083 shares and sold 77,238,327 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $34.80, minus 2.84%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 83 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 14 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, June 16th, we expect Intel to open down $0.0025 and start trading at $35.82. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.